will be a better conductor.
Ooh, I saw lightning.
A car works like a Faraday cage and you're insulated from the ground, so you'd be safe.
Yeah, you're safest in the car.
Trust me, I've been trying. Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
And you just gotta go like this, almost to the ground. And get you and then go down and go back to get back.
We could see these in Portland. Oh.
Yeah, I bet. Alright, Mom. Where we going?
Now it's under this one thunder.
Must be north of us, I guess. Headed north. We'll be right
Well,
back.
it's weird because it goes from here to there.
Yeah.
I looked at the radar. It's coming. It's moving slow, but it's definitely building.
That's awesome. All right, love you guys. Come here, Tallulah. Come here. Woo!
It's raining over there. You can
That's
tell.
for sure.
Whoa. Yeah, that's for sure. Hopefully we don't get a probably won't, but
Oh,
it'll
there's
still be a
more lightning. Look at that over there.
Where do you want me to look?
Well, it's starting to rain over there. Oh, look, there's swirly clouds above us. Watch out. They're swirling.
It's not gonna cause a tornado.
Ah, oh, I just got rain in my eyeball.
And it's not even raining anymore. I saw lightning. Yeah. That took a solid minute for it to come.
Did it?
Yeah, it was right over there.
I don't think that was a minute.
You know what I mean by a solid minute? It means half of a minute.
Oh, okay. Solid minute means half of a minute.
Or a full line.
Okay, we'll stay out here for one. We'll stay out here for one more, okay? And then I don't want to be out here anymore.
Why?
'Cause lightning.
You're not gonna be any safer in the house.
Yes, we are. What? It's right there.
I saw it.
Did you see that?
I literally was thinking one more, and then we got another. That one was full of lightning.
Oh.
It's pretty.
Wow.
It was all orange.
That's crazy. Okay, we should go in.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
You got that on video, right?
Well, maybe it's gonna start to rain. Oh. Okay. Hey, grab something out of the back, would ya?
Sure. Give me that. And I gotta go inside.